So hey guys, welcome back. I want to show you guys a really quick the spicy dipping sauce for the samosa. Um, you don't really need a lot of ingredients. Uh, the main ingredient is this tamarind. If you have the fruit, the sticky kind one, the fruit you can still use it, but this one is more convenient for me, so I use the powder. So what you're gonna need: cilantro, ginger, garlic, and this is what I use to smash it. And then ketchup. You can use like 1 pack of ketchup. I got this from Burger King, and also a little bit of sriracha. So what you're gonna do is inside the water, you're gonna add the powder. I have some leftover use, so I'm just gonna add it. And then you're gonna add some sriracha to give it more like color. And then I'm gonna add some ketchup. Can you guys see it? Add that, and then I'm gonna cut the cilantro real quick. I'm gonna add the cilantro later because and with the cabbage, I'm gonna put this aside. With the cabbage, you want to cut it or slice it very thin. You don't need a lot. Just like this, I think this much will be okay. And then I'm gonna add it to the sauce. Maybe a little bit more. So like so, and then put it here, and then with this one, so I put the ginger and garlic. I use ginger and garlic because it gives like, I like the smell of it too. So I'll take this out first. It's like a little bit of chunks is okay. So I'm gonna take this out. It smells so good. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Oops. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna mix it. And if you want it spicy, you can add this chili. You can add the green one, the red one, whichever you want. This particular chili, I got it from Asian market. Super spicy, like tiny bits goes a long way. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, just a little bit. This much right here. Alright, so taste it. I'm gonna add a little bit more. So it's not sour enough, so I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more. This one and samosa, oh my god, you guys. You have to try it. Like during summertime, like when you have time and you don't have anything else to do, just make this. Watch my video step by step. Hopefully you can follow what I did, because I'm not really good at explaining. So hopefully you can understand how to fold the samosa sheet, so, or the samosa shape, the cone or whatever, the triangle. Taste it. I'm gonna add more ketchup. I mean hot sriracha. Make it more red. Good. All right. So I'm gonna add cilantro. I love cilantros. So yeah. So this is what it will look like. So hey guys, as you can see, I am frying the samosas, and you see this right here. This just fall apart. Like earlier, I put too much water on a paper towel, and it got so wet that the sheets just like fall apart. But I just hope that all the filling doesn't come out. Um, you can use whatever oil you have. I only have olive oil, so I just use the olive oil to fry it. You're gonna let it sit like this for medium high. You want to let it sit like this until you see golden brown on the bottom, and then you want to flip it. You don't want to flip it as soon as you put it in, like in 5 minutes. You don't want to flip it yet. You want to let it sit like this, and you see like what I'm talking about. When you tear the sheets, it comes out like that. Like the filling, they just fall apart. But that is totally okay. I mean, it will splash. The oil will splash. Just be careful. That's all. Other than that, you'll be fine. So hey guys, I've turned off the heat, so I'm just gonna pick them up. So hey guys, this is what it looks like. Well, I'll forget this one. So see what I told you, like when I braked it. So this is what happened when the samosa fall apart. But that is totally fine. Okay, so nice and hot. I know the shapes are like very misformed, but you're gonna eat it anyway, right? So, but this should look okay, let's try it out. I'm gonna eat this one first. This is so I'm on my sauce. Oh, it's gonna be so hot. Okay. Too hot. You know what? It needs some salt, but let's try it with the sauce. Mm. Guys, if you don't try this, I'm giving you this like secret of making samosa. A lot of people know how to make it, but they don't want to share it. So I'm giving you the recipe, and very simple and easy, and how to make the sauce. If you don't try this, or if you don't try to make this, that's your loss, but so delicious. The sauce is just perfect. This one is we call it pecacho. It's like not chickpeas. It's like fried beans. No, how do you call this? Do you know the Indian yellow split beans? The yellow one. And this is I mixed it with the tempura batter and fried it. Mm. Oh my gosh, this is so good, you guys. If you guys want to know how to make this pecacho, let me know. I make this the fried beans like a week ago, and it's still crunchy. Mm. Oh my god, I'm gonna finish the sauce by myself. Mm. So you guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know if you guys enjoy this kind of cooking video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you see the notification bell, please click it so that whenever I upload, you get the notification right away and the first one to watch my video. Again, I apologize for not having the right measurement because when I cook, I don't really use measurement utensils. I just like eyeball it. I'm gonna enjoy this before it cools down, and it tastes better when it's hot too. So, all right, bye. See you next time.